touching the dangly thing in the back of my throat. Happy holidays, all my favorite ho-ho-hos. Welcome to the holiday episode of Baked Baking. As per usual, I'm gonna get baked and then I'm gonna get to baking. See you soon. I'm hi, my ho-ho-hos. Let's see what we got going for us. How to make. All right, that's a long list. So we have two options. No one's gonna help. Okay. I'm gonna say I'm gonna go with this one, but the reason that it matters is because of the thickness of the cake. When you're rolling it matters, because if it's too thick, you won't get as many rolls, and then it's also not as pliable if it's super thick, but it's also super breakable if it's too thin. So that's why it matters. You know, underbaked food and probably like ruin. That was cool. Did you see that? It's like a little smoke cloud. I'm gonna do that again. Should I do a cocoa powder challenge? No. Why did I think that would be fine? I do not recommend doing that. That was disgusting. So when you're splitting eggs, fun fact, it's okay if you get a little bit of yolk. Obviously you don't want a lot, but it happens, you know? Egg yolk is also really good for your face, so you can make, and your hair. Obviously always check what's best for your skin type, but you can put like a little egg yolk mask on. So I'm gonna beat these egg yolks until thick. Step 2 is beat egg yolks. I'm currently beating the egg whites. Really doing well today. Should have had Mr. Claus wake me up a little better, if you know what I mean. Give me another cup of coffee. You're nasty. All of you, you're nasty. Hey, Sal. How you doing, Sal? Okay. Pizzeria's not doing so well, but you know. Making extra cannolis, panettones for the holidays, you know. Gabagool. So, if you remember from a previous episode, soft peaks, which is what we want to achieve in this one, are the ones that are like, stiff peaks are the one like from a good night, you know, but soft peaks are like after you've had a good night, you know? The art of doing two things at once. Trust in the process. Bro. Oh. I'm so scared. But it works! Wow, science! Woo! Science is right. Sometimes. We're going back to step 2. Oops. You know, and that just goes to show sometimes in life you get ahead of yourself. Now we can go back to step 3. Cool, right? How that works. Alright, so I'm gonna go with my gut and go with the bigger one. So that's the vibe. If I were a Sesame Street character, I feel like I would be some sort of like green giggly monster with like touches of yellow. You make sounds like And I definitely could be using that time to do better things with my life, like learn how to use a piping bag, but Chet Hanks really is out here doing the Lord's work.
Donald no one rap with the boss man Biden. Them pussy boy. Go suck on a mother.
So here you want to be super gentle because you don't want to knock the air out of the egg whites that I didn't fully mix in, but you know what? C'est la vie. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for 12 minutes or until it springs back. Like that song, Bounce Back, one of my favorites. Better luck next time. See you soon, pal. We'll see. Why are these all like rocky? I don't know. Boop, 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 boop. And it's not gonna like affect the vibe. That was good. That was good. Alright, there's a little bit of the cake left. Mmm. It's a good cake. So you're gonna remove this. Be careful. Like try to like remove all of the sides and then remove it so it doesn't catch. But it's okay if it catches a little bit because you're just gonna roll it up. Just be gentle, give it words of affirmation. Look how pretty you are. Look at all the air bubbles you have, my airy little baby. You're gonna start from, probably see this, from the shorter side, and then you're going to tightly roll this cake. Little log. Just gonna let it cool. Give it a little pet. Say, I love you, little log. I love you, little cake. So, fun fact, this is 1 cup. Now you know. Now you know. I was gonna say I was extra careful about reading steps, but I literally just messed up earlier in the episode. A little bit more, like it's sweet. Sweet cheeks. Best holiday movie is Last Holiday with Queen Latifah and LL Cool J, and I stand by that. And this is Bushmills Irish whiskey. I use it a lot for cooking because it's cheap and it gets the job done. Oh, am I making a bûche? Yes! Ding, 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 ding! I'm right! Okay. Baby's still hot, so we're gonna step away for a little while. Cake feels cool, like you. And now we're gonna go back and figure out which step we were at. Woo! Eek! So we unroll our little baby and we say, hi, how was your nap? Did you sleep well? And it says, wah, wah, wah. So that's your unrolled baby cake, baby cake. Little baby cakes. So when you're doing this, get a nice, even, get away fly. You want, to evenly spread it out. You don't want too much filling or else it's gonna spurt out of the sides. Okay, and then you just take everything you just said out because you're like, I don't wanna waste any frosting. And then you're just gonna gently roll that and see as it rolls, just pushing some around. So, and yeah, look at that ooze. Yeah, look at that little log, little dusty log. Moving on. So we're gonna make a frosting. You definitely shouldn't, cooking safety, definitely don't do this because you could 100% just whisk your face off, but it's snowing here. All right. I keep, the clouds keep just tickling my mouth. Don't lose count. Don't lose count. 4. One more. One more. A little heaping one for good luck. Saved. See? Reflexes. Never be scared when I'm here. Yum, look at that. But you know what? I'm gonna make it look really nice. So this is what it looks like now. Alright, and it's gonna look really nice. So it looks a little sloppy baby. Look at that. I feel like I'm being watched, like I'm being judged. La 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 la. Feel like I'm being judged. Doesn't this look like a log? Yule log? I think it's gonna be a white Christmas. Oh, it's snowing. Oh, it's snowing. So that's my Buche de Noel, or Yule log, as some might say. Can't wait to kiss this cake under the mistletoe later, and hope you kiss someone too. Happy holidays, everybody. Looks like a ho-ho. Ho, ho, ho. It's a ho-ho. So some of us like to bake for the holidays, but some of us like to get lit in a different way. So we're making a little drink. I have no clue what it is, and I'm kind of confused, but let's go. So we have coconut milk, tequila, triple sec, lime juice ice, which is in the freezer, sanding sugar. So we're gonna combine some of this. Looks like it's gonna be a white Christmas. One for good luck. I am amusing you. Now, if you missed the club, what you can do is just like take some tequila or some triple sec or something very alcoholic smelling, just pour it all over your floor, and then just don't clean it up, and then it'll be like really nice and sticky, and then you'll just always feel like you're at the club. I'm squeezing it. That's fine. Powerful than expected. I don't think I'm ever gonna recover from that. Take your lime juice, and then put it in there. The holidays is all about the unexpected. When life gives you lemons, ask for lime juice in the fucking face. And that was this year in a nutshell. So I'll make one for now, and then decide if it's worth serving to a friend. You're gonna take your glass, give it a little rim job. You're gonna pour your drink. Gonna garnish with a little lime. A little cranberry. Cheers, everybody. Let's get crossfaded. Oh, it's really good. What should they name this? A white Christmas margarita! Wow! Make it a white Christmas, y'all. This is good. My final thoughts are you should make this. This is very good. And don't use the lime squirt bottles.